Alice in Wonderland is a movie that has been around for years, a book that has been around for even longer. It is about a girl who falls down a rabbit hole and enters a strange land where everything is topsy-turvy. A question that has stumped scientists for many years is how deep truly is Wonderland? If Alice simply had fallen through Earth, how far would she have gotten? Using modern physics, scientists have easily been able to discover just how far Alice fell. Using her height and the acceleration due to gravity, they have found the results. Dr. Bill T. Different shall share her results now. Thank you, Samantha, for that wonderful introduction. As she has said, my name is Dr. Bill T. Different. I have been studying the case of Alice in Wonderland falling through the rabbit hole for many, many years, and I have finally come to the conclusion that Alice has fallen 24,034.5 meters. Could you please convert that to feet for our viewers at home? Of course, for those viewers in America, it is 78,853.3 feet. And how did you find all this information, Dr. Bill T. Different? Well, Jessica, my name is Samantha. We used the height equation to see just how far Alice fell. We know that gravity on Earth is 9.81, and we found that the time it took for Alice to fall down the entirety of the rabbit hole was 70 seconds. We simply had to find the height. So, using the equation height equals gravity times time squared divided by 2, we could find that Alice fell for 24,034.5 meters. So what was your process in doing all this? Well, Stacy, me and a team of other scientists have watched the scene in the animated version of Alice in Wonderland many times, calculating the time over and over again to make sure that we got it just right. We saw that in the very first clip of Alice after she fell, where we could see her cat Dinah, at the top of the hole was 5 feet 4 inches down, because it was her exact same height. We also know that it took 9 seconds for her to get from the edge to that frame. With the Earth's gravity, it would take 0.5 seconds to fall 5 feet. We also assume that Alice weighed the average weight for her height, which is 127 pounds. Because, as I said before, Alice is 5 feet 4 inches, or 1.6 meters. Still, my name is Samantha, but that's incredibly impressive on how you came to do all this. Is there any way that the viewers at home would be able to understand just how tall the fall for Alice would be? Of course there is, Maria. There is the tallest building in the world is the... Oh, I know this one. It's the Burj Khalifa, right? Correct. Well, the Burj Khalifa is 828 meters tall, or 2,716.5 feet. That's tall, but didn't Alice fall farther than that? Yes. In fact, if we used how far Alice fell, and we looked at how tall the building was, we would see that Alice fell about the equivalent of 29 Burj Khalifas. That's a very large height. How far down into the earth would that be? Well, my dear Kelsey. My name is still Samantha. Yes, Stacy, right. The measure from The north to south pole of the Earth is 40,008,000 meters. That is quite a lot. Indeed it is, Casey. Indeed it is. Alice fell through 0.0600% of the Earth, which means that she would be in the mantle layer of the Earth if she truly did fall. That is incredibly interesting. Thank you for joining us today, Dr. Bill T. Different. Of course, Maria. I would not miss it for the world. Is there anything else that you need to ask me? Nothing for today. We'll see you next time, Dr. Bill T. Different. See you next time, Samantha. Well, there you have it, folks. The answer to the age-old question of just how far down Alice fell to get to Wonderland. We'll see you next time on Elizabeth News. Enjoy the rest of your day.